What are you going to store for us, Pete?
A fucking lot of hard enduro.
We'll see how we go today with this. Should be right. Up riding at a mate's place today. Terrible view. Absolutely terrible. But it is what it is. Let's go and see what his back garden's got to offer. Alright, welcome to today's episode. Gonna have some fun at a mate's place, mate's little playground. With Benny, Beat the Benny, Pete on his sewing machine, Andrew on the high power sewing machine. So hard to do this slow wheelie. Bit out of control there. Oh, didn't see that.
So you see, nothing you ain't done taking the home.
Not pretty, but got up there. Third gear. Oh, nice third gear hill, that one. Easy. Let's have another go, see if we can make it a bit better than last time. Select third gear. Here we go. Yeah. Nice.
Big hill now.
No need for engine here. Practice the endos. Looks like a new hill. Be good to go back up this. A bit tight between them trees. A few moments later, we're still going down. It's decent. Front brakes getting a bit sponge. Easy. Alright, this is going to be interesting. A lot of grip, even with a ball tyre. A lot of dust though. Oh no. I think I'll have to go back down a bit. Oh, let's watch Pete go up here on the electric bike. So silent. So much concentration. Oh, gonna go down for another crack, I think. I'm a bit frightened about going down now after the brake. The brake just failed on me and I crashed. Didn't have a camera on though. Devil. Whoops. Making a new line there. Yeah, that's a hard corner, that one. That's a tough old chicane, that one. think it needs more noise. Oh, a bit further every time. Maybe fourth time lucky. We all get into the same spot. And Benny's clicking into third just before it. Same place every time. Turning around is also a struggle. So this hill was brand new when we just arrived. I think Pete had been down here and up there once, and that's it. So all the rocks and that are still in the middle. So I'm just giving it a bit of a clean up every time we go up there. I got to here. It was the first time I tried that line, and it was way better. Super soft there. Textbook. Just try and start from just down there if I can make it.
A few moments later.
Hero.
There may be like a meter of a hole there, sorry bro.
International superhero. That's a 15 amp plug, but that's...
Alright, we're back after that short break. I finally got up that hill. It's decent. Don't fall down there. That'll sting. Ooh. That's a lucky find. Rocks are slippery though. Ah. Oh. This is going to be interesting. I've had one fail. Oh. Awesome. Do electric bikes work in the wet, Pete? Go on then. Do it. Stop thinking about it too much. We've only been here for half an hour. Go on, start it up. Full noise. False start. Go on, Pete, it's easy for you. Lucky it's a waterproof, that bike.
Hey?
Lucky that electric motor's waterproof.
Yeah, it is, eh?
Otherwise you could have a shocking experience. Alright, one more go. It's getting the better of me, this one. Yeah. Oh, thank God for that. Oh, well, at least I can end the episode on a high. Thank God for that. I know that's the end of the hill up there, but this is today's achievement. Is he stuck?
The last bit, he's on the last bit, and I think it's going to, because I've done it, and I know how hard it is. I think we'll all have to pull him.
You don't have to shout. Pete, you're just here in front of me.
But he's not. You haven't cried yet. Have you been crying? Well, you f***ing tried hard enough. Get have another go. If you're lying on the ground crying, we'll let you go back to the house the other way.
Well, Benny's been on his own for the last hour or so doing this ridiculous gully section, which is like ice, so slippery. I done about 20 metres of it and that was enough. He's right at the end apparently and he can't get out, so I'd have to give him a hand. Give the little guy a hand. He's gonna hate it, we'll have to help him.